going to show you guys this ground up flaxseed that I received from the company. I really am into this. I've personally been using flax seeds in like granola or yogurt, just to add. You could read all about the health benefits if you don't already know, but there is a lot that you could read about for that. I personally want to put this in my kids' diet, but I think that the ground up one is a lot easier to do than the actual seeds themselves. So you could add this to like baked goods, smoothies. You could add it to whatever. It's really bland. It doesn't have a smell to it. It's like it does. It's just a very slight smell. It's nothing like overpowering, and it's super flaky. So you could see just like how it's so thin. Like it's thinner than I would even make my coffee grinds. So I like how it just like flakes out that my kids aren't going to notice. You use about 1 tablespoon to start, or you can, research how much you're supposed to use and the benefits of using something like this flaxseed. So you can see right there, it's not, really nice way to add this into a diet.